Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to activate and manage TalkBack. To enable TalkBack, firstly go to Settings and go to Accessibility or search for TalkBack in searching bar. Enter it. And now switch this button to enable TalkBack. Tap Confirm and TalkBack is enabled.
11:16 a.m. Welcome to TalkBack. Finished tutorial. Finished reviewing. Finished. Settings on left. Allow.
Make sure to
Settings
finish
on
the
left.
tutorial.
TalkBack on right. Navigate.
Make sure to finish the tutorial of TalkBack to learn how to navigate through it. To disable it, tap and hold on off switch
TalkBack on
and tap
switch.
twice.
Settings on left. Turn off. TalkBack off.
If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.